Hi my dear students and my viewers, I feel very happy because of interacting with you and you are interesting, doing the assignments well, trying your best and you are getting your answers. Make me to teach you another lesson related to one of the great personalities who struggled a lot since his childhood to achieve his dream, to fulfill his goal. Even he was humiliated, even he was insulted, though he has no money, though a huge burden on his shoulders, responsibility of taking care of his family, he achieved what he wanted. He overcome all these hurdles with only one thing, that is his passion, his interest. Nothing could stop him. Either his financial problems, either his family problems, either the humiliation of others could not stop him from getting success. How it is possible? Only because of his passion, because of his burning desire, because of his great interest in it. So, you may anxiously try to know the name of that person. Who might be he? What difficulties he has faced? What hurdles he has faced? What he has achieved? In what way he become great person? I know these type of questions arose in the minds of you. All your questions will be answered. All your questions that arose from your mind will be cleared by the end of this class. Are you attentive? Following me? Yes, I know. You are good. You are attentive and you always follow me. All of you looking at me means listening carefully what I am saying. Yes, you are saying. You are looking. You are concentrating. So, it is the right time for me to take you into the lesson Maestro with a Mission. What's the name of the lesson? Maestro with a Mission. What is Maestro? What is Maestro? Batting Maestro. Have you heard? Who is called batting maestro? Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar is called batting maestro. He is a master, little master, like a magician. He does, he performs, he makes runs in the cricket. So, there in cricket, Sachin Tendulkar is called maestro. Here in our lesson, who is called maestro? Who is called? Yes, our hero, Vempati Chinnasatyam. Vempati Chinnasatyam. Vempati Chinnasatyam. He is called maestro. For what? Maestro of art. What is the name of the art? Kuchipudi. You know? You know the dance form of Kuchipudi? Yes, you heard, I know. So, previously in olden days, nobody knows Kuchipudi. It was under the clutches of oblivion, unknown. Our Vempati Chinnasatyam was born in Kuchipudi. He was born in Kuchipudi, 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada. 50 kilometers away from Vijayawada. It's a small village. On the name of the village, this dance form is named as Kuchipudi. Actually, the dance form of Kuchipudi was there since ancient times. But who makes the dance form of Kuchipudi bright into light, spreads into world, is Vempati Chinnasatyam. He is Vempati Chinnasatyam. Because of his efforts, because of his dedication, the dance form of Kuchipudi elevated to the foreign countries even. How he has become that a great person, enjoys name and fame. Is his life a cakewalk? Is his life a bed of roses? No. Cakewalk means very easy. Bed of roses means very comfortable life. No. His life is not a cakewalk. His life is not bed of roses. He was born in a poor family, in a small village, Kuchipudi. He was interested in Kuchipudi dance form. When he was a child, in his school, this dance form is taught. Our Vempati Chinnasatyam also, since he grew interest in the dance form, he joined for the classes. But unfortunately, he could not perform. He could not do what the teacher says. What the teacher says. He could not follow the teacher. The teacher got angry, shouted at the boy, "Hey boy, you are unfit for dance. You are unfit to learn Kuchipudi dance form. Don't ever make attempts. Don't make any attempt to make dance form. You are unfit." When the teacher shouted at the boy, when the teacher scolded the boy in such a way, that too, he was scolded, in the presence of all his friends. This made him very much humiliated. This made him very much humiliated, very much insulted. He left the place, but his heart is in the dance form of Kuchipudi. He decided on the day at 6s and 7s, and at any cost, I have to learn this dance form. I have to elevate this dance form. I have to give liberty from the clutches of oblivion. Oblivion means not known to anyone. Decided by like that, he started to leave for Chennai. He decided to leave for Chennai. But what is needed to leave for Chennai? Where is Chennai? Where is Kuchipudi? Nearly 500 kilometers. The boy, meanwhile, he was thinking to go to Chennai and wanted to be a great dancer, to elevate the dance form of Kuchipudi. Meanwhile, he lost his father. His father passed away. He is the only son in the family. So, responsibility of taking care of the family, responsibility of supporting the family on his shoulders. He has 4 sisters, a mother. Only this boy was the hope of the family, but he was not in the position to think all that. His heart was only in one thing, not even in the family, that he has to learn the dance form of Kuchipudi. He has to elevate the dance form of Kuchipudi. He wants to make the dance form of Kuchipudi worldwide famous. His aspirations are very high. He feels, but he achieved was less. By thinking like that, he could not stay even one day in his own village. On a fine day, just having 2 rupees in his pocket, just 2 rupees in his pocket, he wanted to leave for Chennai. He doesn't think how he can reach Chennai having no money, enough money. Any problems he had to face, never thought of any other things. Only one thing is in his mind, that he has to leave for Chennai, enough. So taking the 2 rupees in his pocket, he started, he set out for Chennai. Set out means, this is a good phrase, set out. This is a phrasal verb. Set out means started. Set out means started. Start. He started for Chennai. How? By train? By bus? By aeroplane? No. No planes. No trains. That means he has no money. He started going on foot. he started going on foot. On the way, he started feeding on plantains. He started feeding on plantains and water, taking some plantains and filling his stomach under the public taps, and afterwards resuming his journey, continuing his journey. When he reached a particular station, he got tired and seated on the platform just to relax. The station master, Venkatachalam, noticed this boy. He took pity. He took pity on the boy. He took pity on the boy. Because of going on foot, he got tired. His face becomes dull like of proper food. The station master Venkatachalam understood the position of the boy and offers him a full meal. Having it, the boy wanted to continue his journey. Then the station master asked, "Lad, where are you going?" What did he ask? "Lad, where are you going?" "Lad, where are you going?" Who is this lad? Lad means a kid, a small boy. Who is this lad? Our Vempadi Chinna Satyam. This lad refers to our Vempadi Chinna Satyam. He asked, "Lad, where are you going?" The little boy looked up into the sky, into the blue sky. He raised his hands and raised his head into the sky. By giving a gesture, he left the place. With a great difficulty, finally, he reached Chennai. There, he had to sell his coupons for meals just to watch some dance programs. That means he gave up even meals for watching dance form, for watching this dance. He has that type of passion for the dance form. Later, he learnt this dance form from great gurus, Chinta Krishnamurti, Paraya Sastri, Tadepalli Paraya Sastri. Like that, from so many great gurus, he learned several dance forms. Being encouraged by his cousin Vempadi Pedasatyam, another person is there, Vempadi Pedasatyam. Being encouraged by his cousin. Who is that cousin? Vempadi Pedasatyam. He recognized the skill of his cousin Chinnasatyam. So he asked, "Why don't you try in Telugu film industry? You can get good opportunities because you have a good skill in this dance form. You can choreograph for songs in the movies." Like being encouraged like that, he entered the Telugu film industry, and there He choreographed so many films like Nartanashala, so many films. It's a great opportunity for him. Later, he designed 108 solo programs, solo dance forms. 108 solo dance forms. Right? 108 solo dance forms. He himself designed. And in olden days, actually, this dance form of Kuchipudi is meant for males only in ancient days. So, only men perform them at festivals, on the occasions of in temples, on the occasion of festivals, men only perform them. In those days, women could not come out to perform, to give performance in the public places. Women roles are also played by men than in the ancient times. Women roles are also played by men. But Vempadi Chinna Satyam encouraged the girls, encouraged the women. Because of his trials, because of his efforts, now it has become Kuchipudi is meant for girls. See how funny it is. Actually, which is designed for men, and women characters are also played by men. From there onwards to toning this dance form to girls, meant for girls only. Now we feel dance, Kuchipudi dance means we feel that is not for boys, that is only for girls we feel now. Nowadays, women play the characters of even men. So, that is only because of the efforts of Vempadi Chinna Satyam. He encouraged women to perform Parijatapaharanam, a dance form, Ksheerasagara Madanam, another dance form. He designed these two dance forms, received very well. These two dance forms were received very well. Not here and there, all over India, all over the world. Means his purpose was survived. His purpose was survived. How? Yes. What is his wish? He wants to free the chains from the chains of oblivion. He wants to liberate. He wants to liberate the dance form of Kuchipudi from the chains of oblivion. Yes. Now the dance form of Kuchipudi is not oblivion. It is well known all over the world. Another wish, he wants to elevate the dance form of Kuchipudi. Yes, he elevated the dance form of Kuchipudi. So his purpose was survived. I already told his aspirations are very high, but his achievements are very low. He feels like that, but he achieved a lot. Great people never feel that they achieved a lot. Even they achieved a lot, they feel they achieved nothing. That is the greatness of great people. And what most great thing, most inspiring and great thing. He has so many great disciples. Disciples means students. He has great disciples, great students who won name and fame nationally and internationally. Amini Krishnamurti and Daggubati Purandeswari. You know, she is the daughter of NTR. So NTR also preferred Vempati Chinna Satyam to make him as the teacher of his daughter. So many great disciples are there for him, and all those disciples feel proud to be the students of this Vempati Chinna Satyam because of his efforts, because of his dedication, his determination to the art form of Kuchipudi. India honored him with Padma Bhushan, and he has received so many awards, so many rewards. Venkateswara University honored him with doctorate. There are several feathers in his cap. There are several feathers in his cap. So he was honored up to the mark. But whatever he achieves, how high he achieves, he never boasts of himself. He always feels that his aspirations are very high, but his achievements are very low. By a great contribution to this dance form, leaving all the people, he breathes his last at the age of 80, and he left this world. So, though he was not there, Vempati Chinna Satyam, the name, still lives with the world, the end of the world, the end of the Kuchipudi. By talking Kuchipudi or remembering Kuchipudi is meaningless without the name Vempati Chinna Satyam. My dear students, this is the main concept of the lesson. So what we conclude here is, students should not make excuses because of that thing sir, because of these things sir, we can't sir. No excuses. You have to learn if you are really dedicated, if you are really determined, if you have a strong desire, you can achieve anything, you can overcome anything. That you should adopt from this lesson, and you have to develop these qualities from the life of Vempati Chinna Satyam. So you select one profession and you have to go on by setting a goal and achieve it. I hope you all do that. Now, from this lesson, the assignment I am giving you is, make a biographical sketch. Make a biographical sketch of Vempati Chinna Satyam. Vempati Chinna Satyam. So, you prepare this and we wish to meet again. Thank you.